get no rest.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got to run up to Shenandoah. We're going to go through Shenandoah Park. We're going to skirt Shenandoah Park and run down 211. We got to go pick up some things for the Scrambler build, and I'm going to bring y'all with me. Enjoy the ride. Made a big score today. A nice J10 passenger side drop Dana 44. Been looking for one for a while for the Scrambler. We finally found one, and we found one at a nice location out here in Timberville. So let me show you what we got. Got all these people hanging around in Jeep, but let me show you the load that we picked up today. All right, so yeah, we're in the Gladiator. Gladiator is doing haul duty today. So got a nice Dana 44 out of the J10. We're gonna have to chop this axle down and get a custom length driver's side axle shaft, but it's already got disc brakes on it and it's complete. This guy's uncle passed away, unfortunately, and left him with a bunch of J10 stuff. We actually scored this nice grill for the wall art in the shop also. But if you guys are looking for some J10 parts, some cabs, engines, transmissions and stuff, this guy had a whole bunch of it. So I'm just really stoked that we actually got a chance to put a 44 in the front of the Scrambler. It already has a 44 rear, so this is going to be a nice matching set until maybe later in a couple years we put 1-tons in it. But for right now, this is going to go home and it's going to be put on the back burner for a little bit until I get the Scrambler built and running. And then maybe next summer we'll tear into this one and do ARB maybe upgrade some gears for it, put a little bit bigger tires on it. But for right now, super stoked that we found this Dana 44. Couldn't have bought it from a nicer gentleman. Unfortunately, like I said, he was offloading a lot of the J10 parts from his uncle who passed away. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll leave his description, way to contact him. Again, he's in Timberville, Virginia, which is right off of 81. We're not that far off of 81. Couldn't have dealt with a nicer gentleman. He actually cut off the springs and took the wheels and tires off of, because I really didn't need that stuff. I'm going to swap over the hubs anyway. So anyway, he was super nice, super generous with his time. He had other people there. One of Scott's buddies was there from OCD Off-Road, and we got to talk to him for a few minutes. Nice people. He was buying up all their J10 stuff. So anyway, hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe and smash that bell so you get notifications when I put out new content. And channel's starting to grow a little bit, and I really appreciate everybody watching. Thanks. Y'all have a good night.